Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G and today's video. Today is another Poundland Disney craft item video. Gonna make some more cards using the Disney items. Now today I'm going to be using these tags. Now you could obviously use these gift tags as just gift tags, but I'm going to be using them as embellishments on cards. You get 24 pieces and it's 4 designs. I'm going to use some baker's twine, my art glitter glue, my Nuvo hybrid ink Poppy Red, my birthday wishes stamp, and I'm going to be using some paper from one of the Poundland paper packs. And this is the design pad, and it's a 15 piece, and you get glitter, velvet, hobnail, some kind of iridescent. It's a really nice paper pad actually, so I'm going to be using that as well. So I've cut on my card bases. My card bases are 4x4. My inserts are 3 3/4, and these little gift tags measure 8 centimeters or 3 1/8 inch. So let's just stick all my inserts onto my card. Now these cards are really easy. Anybody at any crafting level will be able to do this. It's simply decorative insert, okay, so it's decorative insert, and then you take out your tag. So one of each, because I've got 4 cards here, and these would make really nice Christmas cards as well. There we go. Some foam pads on the back. Poundland sell foam pads if you need them. Some baker's twine, the colour of your choice. Now what I do is I fold it in half and then half again, and then I put that through the hole just so it's nice and thick. Then I do a simple slip knot. I then cut off any excess. So I'll show you again. So it's I hold it in half, and then fold that half again, and then I put that into the hole in the into the tag. Open it up, and thread the other part of the baker's twine in, and we have a slip knot. And then you simply take off your foam padding and place them on the card. And then on the inside I am stamping birthday wishes, so I have a nice stash of birthday cards. So I haven't got to go out and buy any. So there we go. Oh, I stamped that one the wrong way around. Make sure you pay attention to where you're stamping, because I stamped that the wrong way around. So what I'll do is I'll put some paper on there and cover it. So there we go, really quick and easy cards using the new Disney line. I have done 2 other videos, so I will link them at the end. So there we go, nice, quick and easy, and they look quite professional. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now, bye bye.